light faded red, full bloom in summer, her favorite memory are where it grown. She always said, just like her mother, her favorite color, Confederate road.
All right, here we are again, Stefano.
All right.
Look at these specks. These are beautiful, right?
Beautiful.
You're just taking an orange.
Yep, orange.
Squeeze a little bit of that juice in
Yep,
there.
a couple oranges, a little bit of apple.
Rosemary growing right here in Chico. Oh, these are already bomb. Smell that.
I can smell it. We need to rub them down with a little oil.
Just got a little of your family's olive oil. So what I like to do after that part on these specks, even on chicken, you ever done this? Little cornstarch.
Nice.
To get a nice crisp on it.
Nice.
You don't need a lot of it. You don't need it on both sides.
Just a little dusting of it.
So dust them for me.
Yeah.
And then I'll pat them for you.
Okay.
And all that does is let that heat get on there, and it just starts to cinch it without frying it. It kind of gives it that fried chicken crisp, you know?
Nice.
A little bit more right there, buddy.
Got it.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this dry rub right here. We call it the Fowl, right? And again, you don't need to overdo it. Get some of that flavor in there. Right up the gut. You smell that?
I smell it, yeah.
This is our #1 go-to waterfowl rub right here.
Well, it'll be a first for me.
You will enjoy.
I'm sure I will.
We got the Traegers at $2.75. We're gonna take these, we're gonna put them backside down, just like this on the grill. We're gonna check them at the 30-minute mark. We're gonna take our thermopin, put them in there, see where we're at.
Cool.
It's gonna be somewhere right around 105, 110.
All right.
We'll flip them over, and that's when we're gonna start that little reverse searing process on this. And at that time, we'll turn our Traeger up. That skin's gonna start to get really crispy. We're gonna take them off at about 127, 128, somewhere in there.
Yep.
And let them sit for 15 minutes and serve them at 133, 135, somewhere in there. Sound good?
Sounds good to me.
Sneaking out behind that shed, stolen bag of mama's Winston Reds, stashed some of dad's magazines. My first crush, Miss April '83, building jumps high as we could, stacking bricks and old plywood, bloody lips and broken bones.
Rocky, we got it.
It's like Jenga.
Oh, look at that. That's how we stacked them in the field today.
Jenga! What's up? We got a little bit of parm on here.
No. Go back and forth.
That's how it's done. He had to do it.
Snowing early this year.
Always stop and stay together. It's who we are, it doesn't matter. If I'm home or out there on the run, I'm still a California son. A California son. Traded that bike for a fake Les Paul. Met a girl, thought I had